In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online, create, manage, and pay bills. We'll walk through three things: how to enter a new bill, how to keep track of what you owe, and how to record the payment when you're ready to pay. I'll keep it simple and explain what each screen is doing so it all makes sense. Let's start by creating a bill. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, click the plus new button at the top left, and under the vendor section, choose bill. This opens a form where you record what you owe a vendor. Enter the vendor's name, the bill date from the document you received, and the due date so QuickBooks can remind you before it's late. You can add a bill number if one is provided, which helps with searching and matching later. In the category field, pick where this expense belongs, like rent, utilities, or materials, and enter the amount. If the cost relates to a specific customer or project, assign it so you can track profitability. You can also add a memo for context and attach the bill or receipt so everything stays in one place. When you're done, click Save and Close. QuickBooks now records that bill as unpaid in Accounts Payable, which means it's tracked as money you owe. Next, let's manage your bills so nothing slips through the cracks. To view unpaid bills by vendor, go to Expenses, then Vendors, and open any vendor to see their open bills. This gives you a vendor-by-vendor view of what's outstanding. If you want a big picture view, go to Reports and run the Accounts Payable Aging Summary. This report groups what you owe into buckets like current and overdue and shows the total amounts due. It's a great way to prioritize payments and keep cash flow under control. When you're ready to pay a bill, you have two options. The first is from the Pay Bills screen. Click plus New and select Pay Bills. Choose the payment account you're using, such as your bank account or a credit card. Check the box next to the bill you're paying, then enter the payment date and a reference number, like a check number if you're writing a check. Click Save and Close, and that bill is now marked as paid. The second option is to pay directly from the vendor page. Go to Expenses, then Vendors, open the vendor, and click Make Payment to record it from there. That's it. You've created a bill, reviewed what you owe, and recorded the payment all inside QuickBooks Online.